All right, Yarrow. Today I'm going to show you the draw method for solving math problems. As you can see here, the D stands for determining the sign, the R is the question, A is the answer to the problem, and W is write the answer. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to go through all four of these steps to determine the right answer for our problems today.
Okay.
Questions?
No.
First, I'm going to show you how to do this. Then we're going to try it together. And when we're all done with that, then you'll have the opportunity to try this.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So if you look here at my problems, you can see that my first problem is 8 times 2. My first step is to determine the sign. I see that my first problem is multiplication. Okay?
Okay.
So now I'm going to read the question. 8 times 2. Okay? Now I'm going to answer the problem. And there's different ways I can do this. Since I know there's 8 and I know there's 2, I am going to draw 2 groups of 8 and then add them together. Okay, so 2 groups of 8 equals 16. And now I write the answer on my paper.
Okay.
Do you understand how I did that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do the same thing again with my next problem. 24 divided by 6. First, I determine the sign. This is a division problem. Okay?
Yes.
Then I read the problem. 24 divided by 6. Okay? Well, I know we're going to have 6 groups, so I'm going to draw 6 circles on my paper. Now I'm going to put 1 dot into each circle until I get to 24. All right, so 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Do you see how I did that?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's try this one together. First step is to determine the sign. What is the sign here?
Division.
Division. Okay. Second step is to read the question. Will you read the question to me?
36 divided by 6.
Okay. Now we're going to answer the problem. How many groups are we going to have?
6.
6. Now, let's divide this 36 into groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. What is the answer for 36 divided by 6?
6.
6. So I'm going to write that on our paper. All right, let's try this one. First is determine the sign. What is the sign here?
Times.
Okay. What does the question say?
5 times 3.
Okay. So what are we going to do?
We're going to do 3 groups of 5.
3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it's 15.
So that's 15. So then we write our answer. Awesome. Are you ready to give this a try on your own?
Yes.
Okay. I have these problems for you, Yarrow. And I'd like you to go through the steps of the draw process to answer them. Will you think out loud for me, please?
So the sign for this one is times. Then we read, which is 5 times 6. I'm going to find out by drawing 6 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 in every group. 2, so the answer is 30.
Good job. All right, let's try another one.
So this one, the sign on this is division. The problem is 35 divided by 7. So we have 7 groups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. And then we have to count the 35
Yeah.
into each group to
Yeah.
determine how many are in a group.
Yeah. Nice.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So that is 7 groups of 5. So the answer is 5.
Awesome.
The next one is determining the sign is times. The problem is 2 times 10. So I have to draw 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 2 in every group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when that counts for 20.
Nice work. Nice work. Last one.
This is a division. And then it's 30 divided by 3. So we have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Then I gotta count out the 30.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good. So how many are in
that's
each group?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. Nice work, Harold. Do you have any questions about the draw strategy?
No.
Awesome.